guys, if this happens to you after every match, don't panic. We will definitely solve it without any system restart. As you can see, okay, we will press this OK. So the problem is Vanguard error, van 185. We will solve it immediately. We press OK here, it will close. Okay. So as you can see here on YouTube, here's a lot of videos try to solve this problem, but I swear nothing of these videos help me out. First, we're going to run the task of vgc.exe and vgtray.exe, those belonging to Vanguard problem. So let's get started. Here, you right click on the toolbar and select Task Manager. Here at the top left, you will see the processes, and here's a lot of programs that are still running on your computer, but you will go to the details column and scroll down until you see vgc.exe and vgtray.exe and these tasks immediately, and this task also. Okay, close taskbar, close task manager, and here start your game and play freely.
Okay, after you have done this, open your League of Legends draw and start to play freely. Look at me, PC, he's dying now. Is there a genetic thing with you? Did your mother drop you on a head when you were a baby?
Did your mother drop you on your head when you were a baby?
Nothing of these videos solved that problem for me. Nothing. Nothing at all. Oh my god, vamos to you, terminal, please. Gonna speed up my video. Here we are, the play button is now activated and listens, as you can see here. And if this video helped you out to solve the Vanguard problem, error 185, hit the subscribe button. See you fellas, take it easy.
And take it easy, guys. See you all.